How can I experience the blend of modern and traditional Irish culture? If you're curious about how to immerse yourself in the vibrant blend of modern and traditional Irish culture, you're in for a treat. Ireland is a country where ancient traditions and modern creativity seamlessly intertwine, making every experience unique and enriching. To start, let's talk about the heart of Irish culture, storytelling. Storytelling, or seanchas, is a cornerstone of Irish heritage, where people gather to share humorous anecdotes, ghost stories, and fables. You can experience this firsthand by visiting a local pub, where traditional music sessions, known as sessions, are a staple. Here, you'll find people playing fiddles, flutes, and bodhráns, and sharing stories that have been passed down through generations. Music is another key aspect of Irish culture. Traditional Irish music is alive and well, with numerous festivals and events celebrating it. For example, the Fleadh in Ennis is a 10-day celebration of Irish traditions, featuring concerts, music sessions, and workshops. You can also attend festivals like the Belfast TradFest, which includes weekend workshops, concerts, and céilís, social dances. Irish sports are another way to experience the culture. Gaelic sports like hurling and Gaelic football are quintessential parts of Irish life, drawing large crowds and fostering a strong sense of community. You can catch a match or even participate in a local game to feel the energy and camaraderie. Food is a significant part of any culture, and Ireland is no exception. Irish cuisine has evolved to emphasize local, sustainable ingredients while honoring traditional flavors. You can try classic dishes like Irish stew, boxty, potato pancakes, soda bread, and colcannon, mashed potatoes mixed with kale or cabbage. The farm-to-table movement in Ireland ensures that you get to taste the best of what the country has to offer. Festivals are a great way to experience the full spectrum of Irish culture. From St. Patrick's Day celebrations to unique festivals like the Lisdoonvarna Matchmaking Festival and the Atlantic Irish Fest, there's always something happening. For instance, the Fingal International Festival of Voices in Dublin features ensembles and performers from around the globe, while the Clonakilty Guitar Festival showcases international and emerging talent. Modern Irish culture is also about innovation and inclusivity. Cities like Dublin and Galway are hubs for digital innovation, and Ireland has made significant strides in social progress. You can see this blend of tradition and modernity in the thriving arts scene, with events like the Dublin International Film Festival and Bloomsday celebrating Irish literature and creativity. To truly immerse yourself, consider attending cultural events like the Dublin Fringe Festival, which offers a platform for new and emerging artists, or the Sounds from a Safe Harbour Festival in Cork, which combines music, dance, and art. These events showcase the contemporary side of Irish culture while maintaining strong roots in tradition. In terms of clothing, you can express your interest in Irish culture by wearing traditional garments like the iconic Éireann sweater or attending events where traditional dance costumes are worn. Modern Irish designers often blend Celtic motifs with modern fashion, making it easy to incorporate a piece of Irish heritage into your wardrobe. Lastly, don't forget about the importance of community and connection in Irish culture. Joining in on local gatherings, participating in digital communities, or simply engaging with the friendly and welcoming Irish people will give you a deeper understanding of what it means to be part of this vibrant culture. By engaging with these various aspects, you'll get a rich and authentic experience of the blend of modern and traditional Irish culture. Whether it's through music, sports, food, festivals, or community, Ireland has something to offer everyone.